Hello here. I'm recording this video for showing to the Google support the kind of errors I'm getting here for editing the membership offers. In fact, the person I'm talking to here, Mr. Mikhail, he was not very useful, not very helpful to me in finding out what is happening around here. So here I had created two membership levels earlier, and I just want to change these membership levels and the price on this. So when I go to edit option over here, having shown the two levels that I have created. So when I try to delete one of these, okay, so let me just delete it. Okay, okay. So now we can see that it's appearing with the strike, and there is also an option for recovering it. But when I click on the next button, this is where the triangle, the right triangle error is showing up. I cannot click on this, and it's not showing me what exactly is the error. And it seems at this level, pretty much every button that would allow me to move forward is has been disabled. Okay, so I've recovered it, and even when I do anything over here, it's not working. I've tried almost every option. I've cleared the cookies, even reset the browser history, everything, and still I'm unable to do these changes. So hopefully, when I upload this video to my YouTube channel and share it to Mr. Mikhail over here at Google support, he'll be able to help me out. That's what I'm wishing.